Hi everyone, this is Laurie with Journey with the Gingers. Hannah and I are currently on a trip to New York City. We are staying in one of our favorite hotels, which is Residence Inn, New York, Manhattan Central Park. So let's get started with this room tour to show you why we like it so much. Before we get started though, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, we invite you to do so. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. When you first walk into the room, you have a small little kitchenette. In the kitchenette, you have a refrigerator. And you also have a microwave. The kitchenette comes with some dishes. And there's even a dishwasher. A toaster and a kettle. Of course, trash can, dishcloths, and anything you could use to cook with. And finally, there's a sink and a large countertop, coffee maker, coffee, and paper towels. So we're not actually sure how we're going to cook with the pots and pans because there's not a hot plate, but we have stayed here before and they had one then. So we're thinking that maybe you have to ask for one. So next we're going to go into the bathroom. There's some storage below the sink. And there's a nice deep tub in the bathroom and a shower. And in the shower bathtub is also body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. So now we're going to start in the bedroom area. Excuse all of our luggage, we just arrived. Our room has a nice king-size bed. On one side you have a small end table, and then you have a larger end table on the other side. Beside the end tables are some outlets. Across from the bed is a nice large television, and there's some dresser space with some drawers. And beside the television there is a desk area with a phone, and also some more outlets. There's a chair by the window and an ottoman, which it actually has room for storage if you do put something in it. And in the closet, when you open the doors, the lights come on, and there is an iron and ironing board and some hangers and a nice large safe. And finally, one of the best things about this room is the amazing view of New York City. In addition to the fact that it's an awesome room, it also gives you a free breakfast in the morning. And it's a very nice full breakfast. Also, you have free Wi-Fi. And this hotel is also located close to many famous New York attractions. If you enjoyed this video, once again, we invite you to subscribe to our channel and please hit that thumbs up if you liked it. And we hope you continue to follow our journey through our trip to New York. And then we'll be getting on a cruise to Bermuda on the NCL Joy. And we look forward to sharing that with you in this series. If you like this video, click on the link to the left for a full playlist of our videos from the amazing New York City.